Okay, we got the package now. We just gotta put it together. Okay, got everything all unpacked. This one wants to help. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to put together. I didn't think it actually came with the LEDs though. This is supposed to be on the other side. I gotta take this back off and flip it. Okay, we got it all set up, leveled and everything. Let me turn the lights on in here. There we go, that's a little better. But yeah, we got my whiskeys here. I only have 2 right now because I drank all the other stuff. And this is the random shit we had in there. With the syrups and stuff down here you can't see because this camera doesn't do dark very well. But plan is to fill that up. Well, not fill it up, but like get more in this weekend. Put some vodkas down there, put the whiskeys here, and whatever else we end up getting up here. Change the color, by the way. Red, green, blue, yellow. There we go.
one turnover, I was like, oh. Put it in one set of those. Good night. My shit hurt me. Saturday. Shot 670 people Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. Hey. That's you doing it? I'm sick, man. I'm bringing back up. So, bring him back.
Okay, not going to be a very long talk this one because I only got the camcorder here. Why is it not fucking focusing on me? There we go. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick lift and I didn't feel like editing one of the videos together just yet to have enough space to use the big camera. So, we got this. Probably going to be busy editing those videos this weekend. I might get 2 of them out, I'm not sure. But today is what, day 6 of the Maingain 2.0. Doing pretty good. I went over my calories a little bit today. When I got home, I stopped at Burger King on the way home. And I had like 1,300 calories to work with, but that's not enough to eat like a normal meal at Burger King apparently. I mean, I guess I wouldn't call the Bacon King a normal meal, but if you get medium fries with it too, then it becomes too large. So I went over by like 200 calories, but I should be good because there was a couple days there where I was under. This will be the 4th video I have banked. I'll probably stop recording after this one and start editing them together. I don't know if you guys noticed. I tried not to do any talking while I was in the gym because when I'm recording with the camcorder, I don't have the mic and you wouldn't be able to hear me really anyway. But the reason why I was sitting at those cable rows for so long is because I was doing different variations. So the first 2 sets of rows, or I guess first 2 variations with the mag grip, both hit the lats. And they hit the lats in a different way because you got to think, if you're like using a barbell, bent over barbell row, you can do forward grip or reverse grip. And it's basically doing the same thing with the cable, because you gotta think you're already bent at a 90 degree like that. It's just less intense on your lower back and your lumbar, so it works better for me. And I get crazy lat activation when I pull low into my hips with that. Much more activation. Okay, maybe not more overall back activation as the barbell row, but I get definitely more isolated lat activation for sure. And I feel it differently as when I go between the overhand and underhand, specifically with the mag grip, because I don't know what it is about that, but I get a better squeeze using that thing than I do trying to do it with the bar. And then I switched over to the straight bar like row, and I pulled up high towards my chest to get my upper back, and that's more self-explanatory. But then I just kind of finished it off with the pullovers. All in all, pretty solid lift. I didn't move around too much, but sometimes you don't really need to. And today, that was definitely all I needed to get a good pump. That fucking cabinet took way longer to put together than I thought it was going to. I don't know exactly how long it ended up taking, but I know I started working on it like around 4 or 5 or something like that. I don't know exactly. I was working on it for more than an hour at least an hour and a half. No, it had to have been a couple hours because it was supposed to come in at like 5 o'clock or something. I don't know. But I didn't finish till like 8 o'clock or just before 8, so like 7:30ish, 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish. But it's gonna be fun trying to edit in those clips I took with the camcorder. I didn't really think about it when I was doing it because I had the time lapse going at the same time as I was doing those clips, and instead of stopping it, I just figured I'd edit it in post and then just like splice in those videos, which I could still do. It's probably just not going to be completely accurate to the timeline, unfortunately, but you guys don't need to worry about that. It's still going to get the message across that I'm trying to convey. I mean, it's a time lapse, and I just do little check-ins in the middle or whatever. Yeah, I'm really happy with that, by the way. I didn't think that it actually came with LED lights. I thought that it was just like the marketing or whatever for the pictures on there. But it actually has like a little remote and like LED strips built into it. So that's cool. Definitely adds to the ambiance. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta get inside. I gotta stop recording videos and actually edit one of these days. I am, however, thinking about hanging out with my family tomorrow or Saturday night, so that might take up my time as far as editing videos together goes. So maybe I'll do one before I leave the house and go hang out with them. But yeah, I gotta figure that out. And I also gotta figure out how I fit in the gym with that. But anyway, that's for me to figure out and you guys to find out, I guess. So see you in the next one. Later.